Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make restaurant-style French toast using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need thick-cut bread, about 3 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Brioche or challah bread works best for that rich restaurant texture. Also, prepare a shallow dish for dipping your bread slices. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious results. Now let's create the perfect batter. In your shallow dish, whisk together 3 large eggs with 1/2 cup of milk until thoroughly combined. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Continue whisking until the mixture is smooth and all ingredients are fully incorporated. This rich, flavorful batter is the secret to achieving that restaurant-quality taste and golden brown finish. With your batter ready, it's time to dip and cook. Briefly immerse each slice of thick-cut bread into the batter, ensuring it's fully saturated but not soggy. You want it to absorb the flavor without falling apart. Place the dipped bread onto a buttered griddle or pan preheated to medium heat. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until each piece is beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your restaurant-style French toast is now ready to serve. Plate it immediately with your favorite toppings, such as maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. For that extra touch, dust with powdered sugar or arrange some fresh fruit around the plate to mimic a professional presentation. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can change how you think about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.